A logarithmic function g is created by transforming the function f of x equals log base 5 of x such that g of x is 1/2 f of x plus 3 plus 2. Find inverse g of 3. All right, this is going to be a doozy. First things first, it tells us what f of x is. It's that. Then they want us to do half of f of x plus 3 plus 2. So let's do this. Let's find out what f of x plus 3 is. Okay, won't take long. If f of x is log base 5 of x, then f of x plus 3 is log base 5 of x plus 3. NBD, as the kids say, for no big deal. Now, g of x is now going to be 1/2 of f of x plus 3, or log base 5 of x plus 3 plus 2. They want me to find the inverse and then plug in 3. So this is how I find the inverse. I don't like the g of x there, it throws me off, so I'm going to rewrite this as y equals 1/2 log base 5 of x plus 3 plus 2. Step number 1 in finding an inverse is swap your x and y values. So now I have 1/2 log base 5 of y plus 3 plus 2. And now I have to solve for my new y. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So I have x minus 2 equals 1/2 log base 5 of y plus 3. You're now gone. I have to get rid of that half, so why don't I multiply both sides by 4, by 2 I mean, multiply both sides by 2. That crosses these guys out, and I distribute on the left. So I have, let me write it up here because I'm running out of space, 2x minus 4 equals log base 3 of y plus 3. Now I have to solve for y, and y is inside of a log. That's no good. I have to get rid of that log. How can I get rid of a log base 3? Take 3 to the of both sides. Okay, take 3 to the of both sides, and that gets rid of the 3 in the log base 3. And now I have 3 to the 2x minus 4 equals y plus 3. If I subtract 3 from both sides, I now have 3 to the 2x minus 4 minus 3 equals y. Well, it just so happens that y is now my g inverse. I got y all by itself, so now I can call it g inverse. Great. Gross. Not the end of the world. Because what I have to do now is I have to take the 3 that I'm given here and plug that 3 in. So that is going to be 3 to the 2 times 3 minus 4 minus 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 squared minus 3 is 9 minus 3, 6. So after all of that, it's a pretty gross problem, but we did it.